y'all. I am speechless, which everyone in this campus knows. It takes a lot to make me speechless. I am very honored at the words to tell you how honored I am for this award. It's undescribable. I want to thank, first and foremost, my students. Y'all are the best there are. I want to thank my administrators for everything, for supporting me through everything that over the years I come up with different plans and they take it and they go with it and they support me. You know, in anything, I have prided myself on growing my students over the years, and I firmly believe that every student can grow. And that's my job, is to grow my students, and I'm beyond proud of what they have done in the years past and currently too. I'm thankful for the faculty for supporting me, my coworkers. We're all a team here, and I'm beyond grateful. Thank y'all, and the foundation. Thank y'all so much, Governor Abbott, Mr. Morath, Dr. Skeechnick. Thank y'all so much.
Woo-hoo. All right.